Happy birthday to you.
Hey loves, hi, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the fourth episode of hashtag Electric18. So from the title you have got to know that today I'll be giving myself an extreme birthday glow up. So starting off with my hair and then the face, and last but not the least my body. It literally takes 25 to 30 minutes to do this glow up. So that's all about it, and now without wasting any time further, let's get into this video. Hi, so let's get started with the birthday pamper routine. So the first step to it is hair masking, but before that I'll comb my hair. I'll section it into two parts and then start combing my hair and get rid of all the knots. My hair type is frizzy and dry. I naturally have a straight hair, but it is a dry and frizzy. So the hair mask today I'm using is this DIY honey yogurt. So this hair mask suits me well. So let's see how do we make it. So for making this hair mask, all you need is 2 tablespoons of curd, 1 tablespoon of honey, and last but not the least 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Now I'm taking coin amount of hair mask and applying it on the centers. So how I like to apply my hair mask is starting from the center and then going on the sides, and then once it is drenched I'll go at the back and then massage it really well into my scalp. Okay, so my hair is drenched in honey and yogurt. So hair masking done. Okay, so the second step in the pamper routine is to shave our faces. So I've been shaving my face from last 6 months and I really enjoy it because I do makeup on a regular basis, and shaving my face gives me a clear canvas. It removes all the facial hair, all the dirt and all the peach fuzz. Also, shaving your face is subjective. If you don't like to shave your face or if you don't shave your face, you can skip and watch the third step. If you like shaving your face and don't know how to do it, you can continue watching. Okay, so the first step I do before shaving my face is to apply a quite thick layer of aloe vera gel. So I'll start by pulling my skin upwards and holding the razor in 45 degrees and not being harsh at all. I'll start gently shaving the sides. If you're shaving your face for the first time, always go first on the cheeks because it is a larger area, right? And then on your upper lips, and last but not the least your eyebrows. Now I'll wash my face and remove all the aloe vera gel and move on to the next step. Okay, so the next step on the list is face masking. Now I have the very popular, the original Haldi Besan mask. So I'm gonna use this particular mask before my D-Day. Now let's see how do we make it. For making this magic uptan, all you need is 2 tablespoons of besan, 1 tablespoon of curd, that's dahi, and a pinch of haldi. This will control the hue of the mask, and milk as required. Now mix it and form a silky paste. I've also added 1/4 tablespoons of lemon in it. So now I'll start applying the face pack on my face. You can also use a brush, but I prefer hands. Apply an even layer. I also apply it on my neck. Okay, so while the face mask is resting on our face for 20 minutes, we'll move on to our lips, and now we'll scrub our lips And I have this salt rose water lip scrub, and for making this one we need, for this one ingredients goes like 1 tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of rose water, and half tablespoon of oil. So I'll take a some and I'll apply it as I apply on my lip balm and scrub it in a circular motion. So I've scrubbed my lips for 30 seconds and now it's time to wipe off the scrub and wait until the face mask is all dry. Okay, so I'm back. I got rid of the face mask and the lip scrub. My face feels so good from within. It looks so glowy and so healthy after the face shaving and of course the magic haldi uptan. Now the last step for skincare is icing. I have a tray of ice. I'll take one ice cube and start rubbing it in a circular motion. Okay, so skincare is done and now moving on to the final step of this pre-birthday pamper session is a body care, and the only thing I'm gonna do is scrub my body, and the scrub I'm gonna use today is by M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub. So what I'll do is take Okay, so I'll use this scrub all over my body and scrub it for 1 or 2 minutes and then take a bath. So here we complete our pre-birthday pamper session. And yeah, that was all for today's video. I really hope that you liked the video, and if you have did so, hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification button to get notified every time I upload a brand new video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and get updates for the upcoming giveaway. We are so close to 300 subscribers, so please subscribe to my channel and I'll meet you very soon in my next video. Until then, XO, XO, bye-bye.